7:30 a.m. At 6:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Topton, or 14 miles southwest of Allentown, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Allentown, Emmaus, Topton, Ancient Oaks, Zionsville, Macomb, and Albertus. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 56. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 58. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until